Ahoj všichni! Well, I'm heading to the airport right now, so you're gonna witness this little journey. I have an in-and-out shoot in Phoenix, so we have to make this quick. I'm gonna park my car right at the airport, so I don't have to bother with Uber there and back, or Lyft or whatever. So let's make this trip easy breezy. I am super excited. This time I did not have to carry much besides my big purse, because I do have some cleansing stuff for my face and in case I need touch up with makeup and my sunscreen, yada yada yada, also my little computer. So yeah, I needed a bigger purse than usual, but other than that I do not have to carry any wardrobe, I do not have to do my own makeup, I do not have to carry any shoes, so that is pretty easy and Veronica always loves that. Wish me luck. Let's get to the airport quick. I do have a pre-check, so it's not that big of a deal if I get there a little later. Plus the line for TSA pre-check is always super short, so it's usually pretty fast. I'll see you at the airport. There is never traffic going to the airport from our house, and what do you think it is today? Traffic from nowhere. Lanes full of trucks and RVs and big cars. That's like on purpose, isn't it? The way this top is so annoying. I think the straps got so long because it keeps on slipping. It's showing my bra too much. I did not plan on this, so I'm hooking my straps under the bra, and it's not gonna be visible because I have a little jacket I can put over. But wow, this is just the savior, just to tuck it in like that, make it tighter. Otherwise this would be all below my bra, and we don't want that look in public. No, 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 no. We made it, and I still have even little time to go pee, so perfecto. Stressing myself over nothing. They were already slowly boarding in here.
Any more pre-boarders? Just taking my pre-boarders.
Is almost done, and this is my first look. Shoes right out of the bag and first dress. So here we're done with our first look, and I'm wearing the dress I showed you on the package. Let me show you in the mirror. Yes, now we just have to go outside and start sweating. I just found my pal. He's just chilling, I'm just chilling, chill buddies. Just waiting right now. I haven't ate since morning, so it's starting to catch up with me. No good. I don't see any snacks anywhere, all just pictures of Indians and statues and all this. our second look is surprise with bikini. These shoes are pretty cool too. Look at that. Look at that. His name is Joe and he's very, very nosy. Right, Joe? Joe. Joe. Yeah, and he doesn't really care. So this outfit number 2 is nice, sparkly. Should look pretty good, but I'm gonna try to stay away from the sun because Veronica doesn't like the sun and her skin doesn't like it either. So it's better for me to be indoors, even with swimsuit or on just like a patio with the pool in the background or something. Alrighty, we changed our shoes just like we changed our mood, and these are a little better. Okay, what is coming next? I guess this is not the door, so let's find the door. And yes, I'm still in that bikini. Still in the same bikini. Our view. Cactuses everywhere. Straight hair into some curls like a magic that's gonna take like an hour. Not our next spot for our next set, right here. Pretty. See, I wasn't kidding. Cowboys and Indians everywhere. White shoes, white top, and this is super short, so you don't want to see the bottom. Or I know you do, but you're not gonna see it. That's what I'm saying. These shoes I was just wearing were so comfortable. I have to get a pair for myself. They were white satin, size 10, or a size that nobody else has. Sounds about right. Does not fit me very well. Well, let's see what we can do. Next look is all black. Previous one was all white. Now we're doing some kind of a swimsuit piece that does not fit me, but it's okay. We're used to it, so let's just make the best of it. We're almost done. I have the last, I guess, 40 minutes the most before I have to head to the airport, so wish me luck that I'm not gonna miss my flight. So it's me and 2 other models here, and this is all the wardrobe we had. And now the big reveal, You know what, not so bad. All the celery and carrots in my stomach. Yeah, that's all I ate. And then I had a piece of orange, or no, it was like a little orange, so not too bad, and a little apple. That was my diet for the afternoon. Good thing is that I had a big breakfast. By big, I mean I put a lot of stuff in my oatmeal, so I should be good for the next 3 days. But as you know, Veronica gets hungry often, and maybe too much and all the time. So I just have to eat as much as possible because otherwise I get a little cranky. So yeah, last look, and then we're going off to the airport again. Yeah, my second home is the airport. And I still want to take my makeup off before I board, so I better have some time for that at the airport. It's gonna be tight, but I have to do that. I hate traveling with makeup on. It's just nasty, and the worst place you can travel with makeup on is the airplane. Yes, thank you very much. Let's go. Look who's waiting on me. Like, we're gonna go together. We're gonna go together. Yeah, I don't think so. Timmy would not be very happy, and just no comment. Veronica is back at the airport again. What a crazy trip, really. So now I just need to find something to eat and then off we go back home to say Timmy hello, hello, hello. He thought I'm leaving for longer. No, 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 no. And before I board, I'm just gonna dive into my oatmeal. La la la. Just waiting for the sunset. So this is our little situation here. I came prepared, so I have my cleansing stuff for my face here with me. So let's take this off so we're fresh and ready for our flight. I told you I was prepared. My pre-flight routine is now done. Yeah, that's why I have everything from toothbrush to cleanser to microfoliant to deodorant, all kinds of stuff. You just gotta be ready for anything. So that's where I am, and I'm definitely ready for bed. Are you? Until next time.